Hello and welcome to today's video, and boy are you in for a good one, because this method I'm going to share with you today, anyone can do this without skills, without any experience or knowledge. And as always, well, not as always, as like 90% of the things that I share with you on this channel, I am doing this method myself. So let's just dive right into it. So I'm going to share with you how to set up an automated, essentially passive income website using YouTube, and I'll share with you the downfall to this method as well, traditionally. Okay, so let's start with the downfall. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go to a website which is not this one. It's called nottaughtatschool.net. Now this website over here runs completely on autopilot. I don't do anything with this. I set this up previously and it just runs in the background, and I can earn money with this from affiliate marketing, ads if I had them on there, but I removed them. But I want to share with you the downside to this, okay? Because, you know, not everything is great. So this is the website over here. You can see how this works is, and you can see we've got like affiliate links over here. We've got affiliate links on the page and things. And basically what I have done with this website over here, I've connected it to this YouTube channel. And what happens here is every time a video gets posted on this YouTube channel, I have a piece of software which takes the video and it doesn't schedule it, it automatically publishes it onto this website over here. The problem is, and I'll show you this one now. So we'll go into this last article. So you can see here we've got 2 AI side hustles that run on autopilot. So if we scroll down here, we have the video, which is great. We have the title up here again, awesome. It's all just working in the background for me. But then if we come down here, we can see, look, introduction, a bit about this. And then you can see here, it then goes on to talk about a chatbot marketing assistant. That's nothing to do with the actual video. It's got frequently asked questions and other bits, but it's nothing to do with the actual video, because I know what this video is about over here, okay? But, you know, this method does still work. These articles do go ahead and rank in Google and other platforms, but a lot of the time, because we're using, you know, different pieces of AI software, the content down here has zero to do with the video over here, which, you know, can be frustrating. However, fast forward to today, and I have another website which I've shared this with you in the past probably 2 or 3 videos, which is this website over here, this one. Okay, now this is a test website that I'm doing. I'm doing a full test with this, and I'm doing this as part of a case study for the members of the university. So if you don't know, over here we have the university. This is everything I'm doing to earn online. And down here we do case studies and workshops every 4 to 6 weeks. We're currently going through this one over here, this automated affiliate website. And I'm just sharing, you know, what I am doing with this website, you know, basically everything I'm doing. Okay, so you can, if you are in the university, go through this, because this is everything we're doing for this website. Okay, but don't worry about that. That's just a side note to this. But if we come back over here onto this website, okay, so now I'm going to share with you an actual example. So this one over here, 2 AI side hustles that run on autopilot. I'm going to find the video. So let's come over here, and you can see here, let's just scroll down. 2 AI side hustles that run on autopilot with proof. This is the same video, it's the same method, but the results are just mind-blowing. They're just completely different. So we'll come into this website here, and I'm just going to close down some tabs because I've got so many tabs open on here, it's just getting silly. So let's close this, close this, close this, close this, and here we go. Okay, so here's the same video. Scroll down here. Now you can see, look, today you will discover 2 AI-powered side hustles that anyone can do with minimal time setup. And basically, if we scroll down here, it gives us the table of contents. And look here, it talks about everything I mentioned in the video. Creating a YouTube channel, using the software, creating a niche website. It's unreal. It's absolutely brilliant. It really is, okay? So how am I going ahead and doing this? And you can see here, we've got my affiliate links inside of here. So how could you do this to make money and start building a passive income? Well, so the first step of this whole method is we decide on a category or a niche. And here's the great thing, okay? You don't have to use your own videos for this. You can use other people's videos on YouTube, which allows them to be embedded on a website. There's nothing wrong with that, okay? And believe me, lots of people do this, okay? So let's walk through the process, okay? And it's genuinely straightforward and simple. So step 1 is we decide on a category or a niche. Why do we do that? Well, guess what? If we're going to have a website which is automated, we don't want it about everything and anything. We want to be very specific with this so that we can A, start getting traffic from Google, B, we can start actually earning money, and C, we can potentially further down the line start building an email list and all of the good stuff that comes with making money. Let's go over onto a platform like ClickBank, and I'm only doing this to show you the potential of niches. So we'd come on a platform like this, or Amazon, or ShareASale, or Warrior Plus, it doesn't matter, okay? So we'll come on here and we can see on the left hand side, these are categories. So essentially, niches, or if you're from America, niches, okay? Now we can come down here and we can go into any one of these. So we can see like these here are all examples of niches. So we can come in and then we can break it down. Okay, so I wouldn't just say, right, we're going to go into, I don't know, let's just go into one of the more popular ones, health and fitness. We wouldn't just say the whole website's about this. We'd break it down a bit further and we'd go into something, maybe like spiritual health. That would be a niche to go into. Once we've gone ahead and we've found a category or a niche, we then get some products which we can become an affiliate for. And as I've mentioned, you can use lots of platforms for this. But if we just scroll down here, we can see that this product over here, it's got an average conversion of $54. It's got a gravity score of 9.5, so people are making sales with this, and we can see it's got a recurring / rebill on here, so it has an ongoing monthly payment, which means you can also earn a passive income from that as well. Pretty cool. So we'd find products that we want to become an affiliate for within that category. Pretty straightforward, I think we can agree. Then we'll go ahead and we use the software that sets this whole thing up for us. Now, I am using this one over here called AIWiseMind. Again, I've shared this with you in the past because I like to share with you what I am doing online to make money, okay? And this is what I'm using. So over on this website, this AIWiseMind, recently they went ahead and included this new feature of YouTube videos, and it's insane. It's genuinely insane. So let me show you how this would work. So we'd click on new campaign over here, okay? Then you can see we've got these different options. So for this one, I'm just going to go with a YouTube post. Then I scroll down, and all we're doing is we're just filling in the information as we go down here, okay? And it might look like a lot, but I promise you it's not. I'll do it live for you so you can see exactly how this works, okay? So let's come over here and let's go to YouTube really quickly. We'll go on to YouTube, okay? And all I'm doing here is, all we'd do is we'd type in up here a keyword related to our category or niche. And then once we've got that, we're just copying the link. But let me go over here and I'm going to go to, let's go to my channel, like so. And then once this is done, all I'm going to do is I'm going to get an example video. I'm copying the URL. So if I come over here to playlists, let me go onto this playlist here. And I'm going to scroll down here. You can see we've got this one here, Make Money with AI. I'm going to click on that, okay? And I'm just pausing this. Oh, I'm just going to pause that there. Okay, and I'm going to find any video. So let's just go with, I'm going to try and find one a bit shorter. So, let me pause that, sorry. Let's go with, use ChatGPT to build a, right, I'm going to go with this one here. So any video, okay? So I'm going to click on that and I click on share. That then gives me my link here. You can also do it, by the way, you can just do it on the video you're watching. There's a button down here which says share. You would copy that link. I then come back over here into the software and I paste that into here. That's, excuse me, that's my YouTube video. Scroll further down the page here, look. Do I want to use the YouTube video title as the title for the article? Or I can give it a custom one. For the purpose of this, I'm just going to let it create this one here using the video, okay? Scroll down here. If I want to put some context in, I can do, but I'm not going to. If I want to put my affiliate links in, I would paste them in here. But again, I'm going to go through this quickly for you. If I scroll further on the page here, I can add in images, I can add in video embeds, and then I've also got this on here, okay? But let's just come down here. Add YouTube description into the content. So what that means is all of the information that I've got in that YouTube video, or any video that you find on YouTube, let's scroll down, click on more, you see here, it would bring all of this here into the article. Now, obviously, I don't want all of that in the article at all. So what I'm doing here is, I'm going to come back over here, and I'm just going to leave it as no. Now, you can see down here where it says check out Jasper, so I know that is my affiliate link for the video. So what I will do is I'm going to go back over here, look. I'm going to copy that like so. I'm going to come back in here and I'm going to go back up here and I'm going to paste my affiliate link in there, okay? But you would put in your affiliate link, whether it's a ClickBank one or Warrior Plus, wherever. We'd put our affiliate link in here. Then I come down here, you see where it says anchors. These are buttons which would appear in the post. So we've got visit official website, pet, all of these, okay? So I'm just going to click on, we'll have visit official website, check price, shop now. And then I can choose how many links. And then look at this button colors. What colors do I want? I'll go with a pink one and I'll go with purple because I know those colors are relevant to that piece of software called Jasper. Scroll further down the page here, add no follow links to them. I'm just going to click on there. And basically, I'm nearly done. So come down here, look. What do I want? This, yes. Point of view, first person, I just leave it on second. Tone of voice, friendly. Language, I'm going to leave it on English. I can do it on any. Number of posts, so I could have it create multiple posts for one video if I wanted to. But now I'm just going to go with one. I'm going to leave it on publish immediately. Scroll further down the page here. And then all I'm doing here is selecting the website I want it to post to, which will be my website called We Make Money with AI. So I'm going to come on here, I'm going to click on here, this one, like so. And then I'm not going to give it auto categories. I have different categories on the website. So I'm going to come on here and I'm going to leave that in the blog. And I'm also going to put that into side hustle, okay? And that's it done. Now I could add internal links and other things, but I'm just trying to make this as simple as possible for you. So I've got to give the campaign a name. So I'm just going to type in here, chat GPT, just for now. Okay, and look, I am going through this pretty quickly for you, but I will drop a link to a review article where I literally cover everything for you, like how this all works, how to connect it to a website, and lots more. And I've done it in a previous video, so I'll link those down below for you if you want to go ahead and check that out. So if I scroll down here, we can see, look, this is now running. But if I wanted to create, say, 10 variations of that video, I could have that so it's drip fed over, the next few days. So you can see, like down here, I've got AI questions. It's currently created 6 articles out of 10. That's going out one every single day. I could create them to go out one every hour, every couple of hours, and you can see I've got another one over here, look. 1 article going out every day. And you can see I've got this on a number of different websites over in this account over here. This is the test account whereby we're doing the case study for the university, okay? So let's come back over here. Let's get rid of that YouTube video over here. Let's go back over to the website and let's just go over to the home page and we're going to click on here and we'll see if it's actually gone ahead and created the article for us. Now, normally these articles take anywhere between a minute and 2 minutes for them to be done and uploaded on the website. But here's the great thing, okay? Once you've decided on your category and your niche, you could go onto YouTube and you could find 4 or 5 channels which are creating content around your niche, your category. You can then go back into this AIWiseMind software and have it set up campaigns so that everything runs automatically for you. So you can see on this website here, if I scroll down, you can see yesterday we had 1 article, 2 articles, 3 articles, 4. We had 4 articles go out yesterday. I didn't touch any of them. I was out all day with the kids. But this is all just running automatically in the background for us. It's brilliant. It really is. So in terms of this, I'll leave a link to this down below for you. And then again, in this review here, I'll walk you through this. I'll show you how it all works. We'll cover the pricing and lots more inside of here for you. So let's just refresh the page and see if we've now got our article ready. In fact, I'm going to quickly jump back over here and we can see, let's go to content. Move my head back down here. Let's go to content down here and let's see if it's been created. Click on the website, hopefully it will have done, and then you can be on your way. That'll be the video done. So it's saying publishing. Let's dive on the website. Let's go back over here. Let's refresh the page and we can see here, look, use ChatGPT to build a passive income online. So the first part is good, okay? Let's just go into here and actually have a look at the content inside of here. Make sure everything's as it should be, We know that the video is about ChatGPT. So look, scroll down here, look. Looking to build a passive income online? Look no further than the video. Use ChatGPT to build a passive income online. Scroll further on the page here, and it literally tells you, look, to create digital passive income streams. The video outlines a step-by-step guide on how to utilize free software like ChatGPT and Canva to create templates for selling on platforms like Etsy. So this software has actually, I don't know how it does it, it's literally gone through the whole video. It's found the key points. So you can see on here, look, it's got all of the key points about the video that I've done using ChatGPT and Canva, where to sell the items over on Etsy, researching on Etsy. It even talks about other products I talk about in the video, like the Allura extension. It's insane. So let's scroll down here. It gives us an introduction. It talks about everything about the video. It's unreal. I can't believe we're now at this point whereby we can give a video to AI and it can read the whole, it can listen to it or whatever it does, and then it can create the whole thing for us. It gives us a conclusion on here. Look, you've reached the end of this comprehensive guide. It's just insane. It really is. And then we've got our video embed in here. It's nuts. Now the one thing I've just noticed as well, let me come up here, is it hasn't got an affiliate link. So that tells me, if I go back in here, let me go to in here, let's have a look at it. I don't think I clicked the box saying to add the affiliate link. Let's scroll. Oh, let me go back over here. Let's go back and we'll just double check it, because if that does happen, it's no problem. I can just rerun it and it will add the affiliate link in for me. But I thought I'd clicked on save. I haven't done. It's the answer. So let's come on here and let's click on campaign and just double check it. Scroll down here, context, add images, number of posts, post to WordPress. Yeah, I've not clicked on save for my affiliate link inside of here, stupidly. So if I wanted to re-edit that, I can just go on edit and it will add those affiliate links in for me. But if you do it properly and you click on save like I didn't do, then it will go ahead and put your affiliate links in here for you, a bit like what we saw on the original article where we had our links included inside of it. But it's just an awesome method, and as you've seen over here, it gives you really relevant content from the YouTube video, which you can then put onto a website, and you can be building out websites in any category, in any niche, and be making money. I love it, and this is why I'm sharing lots of videos about this software with you, because it's just opening up the doors for many people who wouldn't normally be able to make money online with a website using AI. It's just insane. So yeah, look, that's today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Apologies about these internet connections. I don't know what's going on with this today. So yeah, that's it. Take care, and I'll see you soon.